I teamed up with my friend from work to try and make some video games on the side because working as a web dev can get really boring. So we came up with a game idea and started making it, and then realized it was really difficult to make such a large game, so we started with a smaller idea. And that's how we made Space Turtle. We limited ourselves to just 7 days to make this game, and check this thing out, it's actually pretty cool. See, now that we got a single player game working, we want to try the arduous task of building a multiplayer game, which definitely complicates things, but we're both engineers, so I'm confident that we're going to be able to figure it out. And so far, so good. I was able to use this cool tool called Fish Networking to get this multiplayer server client setup working. I won't give away too many details about the game, but it's going to be a competitive platformer. So now all we need to do is build the actual game and then link it somehow to the Steam API so we can get matchmaking working. And I'm documenting the whole process on YouTube and TikTok, so be sure to follow if you want more content.